We're going to talk about the differences in all the AI products and how to use them. Now, AI has taken over the world. It's like this whole new concept. Some people are adopting it, some people are not adopting it. But here's what I will say. One of my good colleagues out in Little Rock, Arizona said not too long ago, AI is not going to replace the real estate agent, but AI will replace real estate agents who do not use it with real estate agents who do use it. So, will it completely take you away and out of this market? No, but if you don't use it, it very well may. Now, AI can save you a lot of time, energy, thought process. It can trigger motivation. It can trigger creativity. But sometimes what happens is we as humans get in this rut of thinking within a box, and we can't think outside of the box. So when it comes to AI, I need you to throw the box away and think outside of it because the possibilities are endless. Now, when it comes to AI products, it all depends on the prompt that you put in. That's as hard as it is. So you can't make the prompt complicated enough. You can't make it too long. The more information you put into the prompt, the more information, the detailed and the better it's going to come out. Now, here's what's happened with AI is we've treated artificial intelligence kind of like we've treated the name brand Band-Aid. So you've had a Band-Aid that you put over your skin, but that is a brand. That is not a product. We're doing the same thing with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a brand. It is not AI exclusive. There are multiple AI products that do the same thing as ChatGPT. ChatGPT just got awareness nationwide as the first AI product that the public could use. Now, there may have been some other ones, but this one took over. And so a lot of people say, I'm going to ChatGPT that. Or really, you are AIing it. You are asking an artificial intelligence program. So there are a few artificial intelligence programs out there that I would recommend, and they do different things. For example, ChatGPT, in my opinion, is the basic AI. There is a free version, there is a paid version. Paid version is going to be a little bit faster, a little newer statistics. The bandwidth is a little bit larger than the free version, and that's only going to run you about $20 a month. Not a big deal. But ChatGPT on the basic version or the free version is good for like a question and answer concept. Doing a little bit of motivation and creativity and give me the top 3 ideas for X, whatever it may be. It's good at creating spreadsheets, but so are these other ones. Now, Claude, C-L-A-U-D-E, is another AI platform. This is a little more personalized than ChatGPT. It goes a little bit deeper and it does a little bit more research than ChatGPT does. But out of the top 3, in my opinion, the top one is going to be called Perplexity. Now, Perplexity also has different versions that you can pay for. Still not extremely expensive. It is very manageable for any level of investment. But Perplexity is really good with deep research. It's really good with formulas and math. I will tell you, I've put a lot of math problems into ChatGPT and they come out wrong. And so does the explanation. So I do not rely on ChatGPT for any math problems or any formula. But Perplexity is very good with numbers and research. So now that we've covered the basis of AI products, there are more you can add to this, and I am telling you the products are just endless out there. If you can imagine it, it probably exists. So please know that these 3 are not the final or the top 3. These are just the main ones that the public is aware of and what they do and what they're better at over the other one. We are releasing new content and new videos on our YouTube channel and all of our socials, so make sure you subscribe, hit that like button so you're notified when our next video comes up.